Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. My name is Dolapo. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back, and thank you for clicking. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments, and sharing our videos. So in this video, we'll be learning another way to make a ruffle headband. Headbands are trending right now, and I just want to keep you guys updated and share with you here on this channel. So I have my plastic headband, and the first thing I did was to wrap it with my fabric. I have different videos on how to wrap a plastic headband with fabric, so you need to watch some of those videos if you haven't seen them yet. I'll put the links in the description box. I have detailed videos on how to do that. I won't be dwelling so much on that right here. So I have my fabric, and I'm just going to use my UHU glue to cover the headband round like that. The headband is not going to be totally covered with fabric. I'm going to leave some part of it that's right at the center. I already showed this in one of my previous videos, so please watch if you haven't seen that. Please check the description box for the links. My headband is wrapped with fabric, and I didn't totally wrap the headband like I said earlier. I left the center part. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the pieces I'll need to make my ruffles. So I have two pieces of fabric joined together because I didn't have that very long length of fabric as at the time I filmed the tutorial, so I had to join two pieces. And after joining the two pieces, the length I have is 50 inches by 8 inches width. 50 inches length by 8 inches width. Okay, so I'm going to fold in half. That's, I have the right side facing up, and I fold it in half and sew from one end to the other end, which I already did. Now I am just trying to turn the right side of the fabric out. Okay, I've turned the right side of the fabric out right now, and I have the seam at the center of the fabric. The seam could actually be on any part, that at the side or at the center of the fabric. Now I'm going to insert my wrapped headband into this piece of fabric. Now I am going to mark where I want the ruffles to start, which is what you're seeing right now, and mark where I am going to have the ruffles end. I pushed the fabric in, as you can see, and on those parts, those two marks that I have on the plastic headband, I'm going to fix the end of the piece of fabric using my hot glue. I also come to the other side of the headband and fix the end of the piece right there, and so our headband is ready. You can decide to embellish with beads, stones, rhinestones, feathers. Yes, it depends on how creative you are and what you want or what your client wants. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share, And don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in our next video. Bye.